Hey everyone, this is Micah from Cali Raised LED. Today I'm going to show you how to install our 4Runner Rear Hatch Molle Panel. In this kit, you're going to get your panel, 4 rivet nuts, 4 aluminum spacers, 4 Allen head bolts, and a rivet nut tool. Tools that you're going to need for this is a marker, 4mm Allen wrench, a 3/8 inch drill bit, and your drill. Let's go ahead and get started. All right, so for this installation, first thing that we need to do is mark our holes where we're going to be drilling. It's going to be these 4 holes out on the sides. And you're just going to put it up here. You can center it using kind of speakers and the lights and the straight lines to make sure that you're in place. The square cutout is for this handle area. So I'm just going to get it centered right now. Then I'm going to start marking my holes. All right, now that I've got those marked, now we can drill them. Come on. All right, now that we've got the holes drilled, we can start putting our rivet nuts in. Just going to start with one right now. You're just going to push it up in there. Kind of push it in as much as you can. Then we're going to use our rivet tool. So you're going to have your bolt, your coupler. You're going to slide that over. And then you're going to screw the bolt in. And once it starts to get kind of tight, that's when you'll grab your wrench and your socket. I forgot to mention that you'll be needing these 13mm wrench and an 11mm socket. You're going to put the wrench around the coupler, get the socket over the bolt, and then you're just going to start tightening up. What this is doing is collapsing the rivet nut so that it'll pull tight to the plastic. You can try pulling it out to see if you've gotten it tight enough. This one looks like it's good, so I'm going to back out. Might need to loosen it from the coupler as well a little bit. There we go. And then you're going to do this for all 4 holes. All right, so the last thing to do is just install our panel. You've got your 4 aluminum spacers. One of them is longer than the other ones, and that goes to the bottom right-hand side. When you install it, you'll notice that one's a little bit farther away than the other ones. So I'm just gonna start by putting one of my bolts through, put my spacer over it. Just start getting these screwed in. Gonna leave that one just a little bit loose. I'm gonna get all my screws started. Kind of reach up through the molle holes, get the spacers up there. Just get that one started a little bit. The long one, again, the bottom right-hand corner. That one started as well. And I can grab my 4mm Allen head. We can just start tightening these down a little bit more. All right, our panel's on there good. The install is done. All right, that concludes the installation for our 4Runner Rear Hatch Molle Panel. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and please visit www.caliraisedled.com and order yours today.